I've been a wedding planner for over a decade. So what do I put in my bag before heading out the door for a wedding day? Let me tell you. Today, we're discussing what to pack in that day of emergency kit. We have an extensive emergency kit filled with all sorts of supplies that we bring to every wedding. We often joke that we bring these things so we won't need them, because you know how it is. You bring the umbrella so it won't rain. While our supply bag is filled with a ton of stuff, there are definitely some items that we use much more than others. So here's the top 5 things we use most frequently. Pins. Safety pins, straight pins. I can't count how many times we have needed to pin all sorts of things. Clothing, linens, flowers. Pins are just super helpful for problem solving, so be sure to have some on hand. Super glue. Another useful tool is super glue. We've had to super glue the sole of a groomsman's shoe back on, had to glue corsage flowers that fell off, and so much more. This is another easy all-purpose tool that can help fix a ton of different problems. Scissors. It seems like no matter what, scissors are needed every single wedding day. Sometimes we're cutting off little errant threads from a groomsman's jacket, or cutting off those pesky straps that are used to keep the dresses on hangers that pop out at the worst possible time, usually when you're taking photos. Fashion tape. Fashion tape can solve a lot of problems quickly and help avoid big issues with dresses that don't fit quite right. So having some on hand is always a good idea. Stain remover. It never fails that someone will spill something on someone somewhere that needs to be cleaned up so it won't show up in photos or on video. Having some tools to try and correct that kind of issue is super helpful, so don't forget to toss some of that into your bag as well. Be prepared for some little issues to pop up here and there on your big day, because they always will. If you're planning on DIYing your day of the wedding bag and would like some other DIY ideas for your wedding, then you're going to want to click on the video on screen for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.